We're here today at Monton again, looking at the magnificent boat Philip Austin's, the Victoria R. And Philip today is going to show me the new electric motors installed in the boat, so I think we should go and have a look at it. Philip. Hello. I'm sorry to disturb you.
That's alright, Molly. Come on in, Tony.
Thank you.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, I'm afraid you've come when all the work's been done.
Good.
I heard it said about you that that's usually the case.
Well,
You're good at timing.
It's a rumour.
Yeah, either when the work's finished or the kettle's on.
Right.
So
what we've come to look at is this electric motor.
Oh yeah.
Could you tell our viewers something about it, please?
Yeah, sure. It's a 72 volt, 50 amp motor. It's powered by 36 batteries, which are in these cupboards down here. We're sitting on them here, so there's 18 up each side,
yeah.
Which gives us approximately 16 hours cruising on one charge. I've not tested that yet, but theoretically I could go 8 hours out and come back 8 hours. But what I did find, I don't know whether you can get a picture inside here. I can show you the detail. Down inside the sump here, the original position of the motor made it that I couldn't get at the stuffing box, and obviously you have to be able to get at that to tighten, to stop the water coming in around the prop shaft. So I decided to move the motor from over the stuffing box and make a frame to mount it where you can see it now on the side, which means I can now on a daily basis check the sump for drips.
Is this quite a rare innovation in electric motor?
Oh, it's certainly. There are quite a few electric boats about, but they're few and far between because you've got the problem of charging up.
Yeah.
So generally they're cruise boats and on the lakes, up in the Lake District and things like that, where you've got access. They're a bit like forklift trucks in a way, if
Right.
you've got a charging point.
Yeah.
There is a move afoot to try and persuade canal side pubs to set up charging stations, but I don't think it's had much success yet. But eco-friendly wise, it makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. What's that marvellous phrase, expression you use about when Queen Victoria came to Eccles?
Oh yeah. I mean, as you know, the story of the boat, it is a replica of the one built by the Earl of Ellesmere for Queen Victoria's visit in 1851. And studying the newspapers in the museum, one of the comments she's famous for is she enjoyed the silent glide through the countryside, which of course this was in 1851. There were no houses or medical centres or lighthouses, so I was looking for an electric boat so we could have the choice was either horse drawn, as her boat was, and I'm not into that, so the next choice was electric power.
Wouldn't it be nice if royalty was to visit the boat and reenact?
That's one of my dreams. Is next year is the 250th anniversary of the opening of the Bridgewater Canal, the very first canal, and it's also coincidentally the 160th year after the original visit from Queen Victoria. So whilst we're having a celebration for the 250th, we're hoping, we've got our fingers crossed, and plans are afoot, in that we've got the boat, and we've got the canal, and we've got the boathouse up at Worsley, the original boathouse, we've got the packet house, the place where the Queen actually walked and talked. It would be lovely if we could organise a trip by a member of the royal family. I don't know whether the Queen will want to be jumping in and out of boats at her age, bless her, but maybe Charles, with his particularly with his eco-friendly attitude, he might be interested and want to come and relive history. But we've got our fingers crossed on that one.
That's great, Philip, honestly. So, well, if he comes down, we'll be down as well. And we shall be keeping our... Well, we'll be visiting you more regularly this week to keep updates with the lighthouse and the boat.
You'll look forward to it, yes. In the meantime, I'll finish off
I'd hate to
tightening
stop
my
on-
nuts.